morning, friends, outside the Philippines, of course my friends in the Philippines. I will share you a video, my roadside trip to Christmas Day roadside trip going to Tacloban from Borongan City. Let's go, my friend. Just wait, please watch my video so I can show you the different municipalities going to Tacloban. Friends, we are approaching the first municipality from Borongan going to Tacloban City. This is municipality of Maydolong, Eastern Samar. Please watch the other municipalities that I have to pass by, friends. As you keep on watching, my friends, we are approaching the second municipality. We so called the municipality of Balangkayan, Eastern Samar. Please bear with me until the other municipalities going to Tacloban. Thank you for watching. Please like, my friend, and may I ask your support to subscribe so that I can make a wider community that I am wanting for, a bigger community that I have in the coming days. Thank you much. Friends, as you keep watching my Christmas 2025 travel to Tacloban, this is the third municipality that I am touching now, the municipality of Llorente. But we cannot go to the proper, we cannot get inside because the highways and the circumferential road. So we will go on continuously. Please watch the next until I reach Tacloban. This is your friend El Caminero. Thank you very much. Please like and share, my friend. Thank you once again, my friend. This is your friend El Caminero, my channel name from Borongan City. To the people outside the Philippines, and of course the Philippines, who are familiar with this place in Eastern Samar, I think this is a very big help for them as a guide, because I am sharing you all the municipalities from Borongan to going to Tacloban. This is so-called my Christmas Day travel 2025. Thank you. We are approaching now. Please stay with me, my friends. We are approaching the municipality of Hernani. 500 meters ahead, we will reach Hernani, municipality of Hernani, Eastern Samar. Friends, as you can see ahead, this is now the fourth municipality. The name of this municipality is MacArthur, Eastern Samar, General MacArthur, Eastern Samar. Okay, friends, this is the intersection going to Tacloban, to the right side going to Tacloban, and to the left side to Giwan, Eastern Samar. We will turn right. This is Barangay Buena Vista, General MacArthur. We will turn right, so going to Tacloban. Ito na. Does it pop up now? We have passed by the intersection or the crossing General MacArthur going to Tacloban. This is now the municipality of Livornos, Eastern Samar. Friends, let's keep going. Let's keep our travel ship very safety. We are now, this is the number 8 municipality of Balanhiga, Eastern Samar. So this is a very informative to those who are not coming from this places of Eastern Samar. You can view all the towns that we are passing by from Borongan to Tacloban. This is the Balanhiga Bridge. Let's subscribe and share my video so that I may have a bigger community. For those who are not from the Philippines to the other countries, if you happen to be here in our country, especially in Region 8, Eastern Visayas region. There are 6 regions in Region 8. This is very informative about the location of municipalities in Region 8, particularly Borongan to Tacloban. Mga doon sana mo paingat ka na narit pero mahubi ako kay pinipidlitan ka na lang. Tapos may naman yung kikinalawan sa sagdan nanakat to ka Tacloban. Simple siya magtinong-tungong nila.
City.
Nasaan nga may mga hinilat dyan lang sa nagdadagabi na natungtong ito yung dada. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the ninth municipality of Eastern Samar, Lawan, municipality of Lawan, still in Eastern Samar. This is the last municipality of Eastern Samar, Lawan. Of course, you have to enter to Samar Island, another province, Samar. Bound for Samar. We are now bound for Samar. Okay, we are now in the province of Samar. We have already exited in our province of Eastern Samar. So the first municipality in Samar we have to reach is Marabot municipality. Samar. We will go out now. Samar province we are now. The first municipality is Marabot. can see on the left side corner, this is the Marabot municipality on my left side. But we are in the circumferential road. We cannot get inside Marabot municipality. Lagi emosyon mo. Apa mo kanina na eh? Ganadero. As we keep moving, friends, we are now entering the municipality of Pasay, Samar, Pasay. 500 meters ahead, we will touch Pasay, Samar. In the left portion, we have the proper town of Basig on the left portion, because we are in the circumferential road, national road. So turn right going to Tacloban City. Okay, let's keep moving, friends. We are now approaching the San Juanico Bridge at a distance of 200 meters. We'll pass by the San Juanico Bridge. This is still Samar Island. This one, then part of Samar province. So we'll be passing by San Juanico. Welcome to Tacloban. Just for 5 minutes I will end my video, my friends. I would like to request everyone, my friends out of the Philippines, of course also in the Philippines, to help me build up my channel to become a bigger community. Good day and Merry Christmas everyone, wherever you are. This is El Caminero Boronga. I'm sorry.